You cold? Huh? Are you cold? You not cold, buddy? You're warming her up, that's right. He said, look, we got somebody tagging along with us this morning. All the way from St. Simon's Island, Georgia.
One of my favorite spots in the country.
One of my favorite spots, yeah.
Triple J Farm.
Now y'all couldn't hear Laura Jane, but she was just saying that what did you just say about 24 degrees? 24 degrees is what?
A little cold for an island girl.
A little cold for an island girl. Hey, she's hanging with us this morning during chores.
Those are your
All right, so what was your question again?
I said, what are the difference in the chickens? Those were all white and these are pretty.
Right, so the meat chickens that we just left are, so we raise those for meat. Those are Cornish cross.
Oh, okay.
That's what that is. So that chicken is designed to eat and get fat quick. 8-week turnaround. These chickens over here, now we're over here at the laying hens. So it's a heritage breed. We got some barred rocks. We got some wine saps and some golden comets over here. So these are the layers.
and some homegrown roots.
Well, she did pretty good this morning for an island girl. She did pretty good. She hung around with us, did chores. It was only 25 degrees out here this morning, right, Jace?
Mm-hmm.
A little chilly, did great. Samuel hung with us for a while. He got cold, his little hands got cold. I think he went back in the house, but that's understandable. He got cold. So now, Laura Jane says it's time for another cup of coffee. So we're gonna run inside.
And some
get
grits.
And some eggs. And some fresh eggs, that's right. So we're gonna head inside and get some breakfast.
He's cooking breakfast. But I just saw him do something that I could not believe. He just put in the cast iron grill here a tablespoon of, what'd you put in there?
Bacon grease and pork lard. That's
Yeah.
the secret.
Can you believe that?
Jace? See right here, Jace? Bacon grease and pork lard, right here. Pork lard, bacon grease. That's the secret to good scrambled eggs. All you good farmers out there know that.
Well, how many you want me to put in here? Is it maybe? I don't know.
All right, what y'all working on in here?
No idea. Let me make.
What y'all working on?
We're working on
Hold on.
steel oats for oatmeal. We put honey, and we put butter, and we put heavy whipping cream, and we're waiting for it to get ready. It takes about 40 minutes to cook steel oats.
The cream is kind of.
Yeah.
Have you tried the ice skate yet, boy?